Housing is one of our most basic needs, but not everyone has always been treated fairly. That's why fair housing laws exist. Fair housing laws are designed to ensure equal access to housing opportunities. The cornerstone is the Fair Housing Act of 1968, which made it illegal to discriminate based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, or disability. Over time, many states and cities have expanded protections to include sexual orientation, gender identity, and even income source. So, who's covered under these laws? At the federal level, there are 7 protected classes: race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, and disability. Some states go further, adding protections for age, marital status, or military status. For landlords and property managers, knowing the rules in your area is critical to staying compliant. Discrimination can be blatant or subtle. Refusing to rent to someone because of their background is illegal. Charging higher deposits for families with children, also illegal. And landlords who deny reasonable accommodations for tenants with disabilities are breaking the law as well. One of the most important parts of fair housing involves disability rights. Landlords must allow reasonable modifications, like grab bars or wheelchair ramps. Service animals must be accepted, even in properties with a no-pet policy. Ignoring these requests can result in costly fines and legal action. Advertising matters too. Property listings cannot say things like "no kids allowed" or "Christians preferred." Ads should always focus on the property itself, its features, its amenities, its location, not on the type of tenant the landlord wants. Even exempt properties must avoid discriminatory language. So, who enforces these rules? The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, investigates complaints and can even send testers to check for bias. Landlords found in violation may face steep fines, lawsuits, and court orders. Beyond the financial costs, a reputation for discrimination can drive tenants away. The good news? Staying compliant isn't difficult. Educate yourself on federal, state, and local housing laws. Use the same screening process for every applicant. Document your rental decisions, and train your staff to interact with tenants fairly. Consistency and neutrality are the keys to avoiding costly mistakes. Tenants play a role too. Know your rights and speak up if you notice unfair treatment. Save applications, emails, or text messages from landlords. And reach out to local fair housing groups if you believe you've been discriminated against. Awareness and documentation create accountability. Fair housing laws protect everyone and help build stronger, more inclusive communities. If you want peace of mind knowing your properties are managed with professionalism and fairness, call Ryconn Property Management today at 86-696-08797.